Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ayush Khanna and you are watching our channel Ayush Khanna Classes. Uh, in this video, I'm going to tell you about some important updates for CA exams. Okay, first important thing, result of IPCC or intermediate May or June 2019 is most likely to be declared around 24th of August. Okay, uh, official notification will be out within 2 to 3 days. Will be approximately 24th August, 23rd to 24th August will be the date. Okay, second important thing. November 19 exams date sheet is out. Exams are starting from 1st of November and will continue till 18th of November. Now, what is the what are the dates? Time for the exam remains the same as 2 to 5 p.m. Okay, from 1st of November, CA final exams are starting. CA final 1st of November. Okay, it's first, third, fourth. Was not fourth. Sorry, fifth. First, third, fifth, and 7th of November will be group 1, your first group. Then second group will be 9th August, or sorry, 9th November. Then 13th November, 13th, 15th and 17th will be the will be the exam dates for group 2 CA final. Now why after 9th there is 13th? See, the thing is, on 10th of November, some festivals there, I think, any type of Eid or so, the thing is. And on 12th of November, there is a holiday on account of Guru Nanak Jayanti. Okay, on 12th of November. So that's why 13th, 15th, 17th. Okay, and CA Inter, all IPCC. The exam is starting from 2nd of November, 2nd, 4th, 6th, and 8th. Okay, no exam on 9th as there's exam of CA final. No exam on 10th because of the festival. Then on 11th would the second group start. 11th of November. And then 12th, no exam. 13th, for CA final exam. Then next exam is on 14th. 14th, 16th, and 18th. Till 16th is the exams for the CA IPCC old course and till 18th for new course. Okay, next important update. When to fill the exam form? Exam form are starting from 16th of August. Exam form 16th of August and is up to 7th of September. Okay, 16th of August to 7th of September is the exam form date. Okay, now fill accordingly. Firstly, wait for results, then only fill the exams. Okay, now let's start with RTPs. The exam result exam date sheet is on the institute's website. Okay, now let's start. Students, viewers knowledge portal, intermediate course, RTPs, November 19. Yeah, in this, I will be explaining you the partnership question and singularity system. Okay, uh, which questions are done? Which questions are solved? See, one question is question number 2, question number 10, question number 3. Okay, question 2, 10, 3, 2, 10, 3. 9 is left, 8 is also left, 6 is done, and I think 5th and 4th is also done. Yeah, 5th and 4th is also done. Okay, I'm starting with 13th question currently. Accounts for incomplete records. Now let's start. And you can ignore question number 15. Okay, that's not important. पता नहीं क्यों बोल देते हैं. Okay, question number 15. We are given with information of a landed building. Remains the same plant machinery, office equipment, debtors, opening balance we have to calculate here for the purpose of calculation of capital. For the purpose of calculation of opening capital by which we have to find our closing capital. Okay, creditors. We are given with the stock. Opening stock we have to compute. Long-term loan from SBI at 12%, and banks closing closing balance we have to compute. Now let's start with the question. Question 13. In the books of, what's the name of the firm? In the books of, और जो भी है, in the books of the firm. Firstly, we have to prepare her trading and profit and loss account. And here, balance sheet we have to prepare. Just a second. Yeah, the charging was slow, so I was just plugged in. Okay, now let's start. I will not be showing the question again and again. I'm expecting that you have your question in front of you. See, a landed building, 5 lakh and 5 lakh. So that means it will be directly transferred to balance sheet. Landed building, 5 lakh. Let's see if there is any adjustment for land building. I think no adjustments are there. No adjustments for land building. Okay. Next thing, next point, we have to prepare working notes. Working notes. Our first working note will be of plant and machinery. Why? Because there is difference between the opening and closing capital. So let's start. To balance brought down 2,20,000 and by balance carried down 3,30,000. Okay. Second is of office and equipment. Office and equipment. Office equipment. Sorry. To balance brought down 1,05,000 and by balance carried down 85,000. So one next working note is very important working note, that is of debtors. To balance brought down. See, we have to compute this and by balance carry down 2,25,000. Fourth working note of creditors. By balance brought down 95,000. This is for purchases. Okay, creditors for purchases. To balance carry down, we have to compute this. Now, side by side, post the value of plant and machinery 3,30,000. These are direct amounts, it needs no explanation. Office equipment 85,000. Then debtors 2,25,000. Creditors for purchases 15,000. Oh, sorry, there's no. We have to compute working note and creditors for expenses. That is outstanding expenses is 15,000. Working note next. I hope you are noting the question, the solutions side by side. Uh, Expenses account by balance brought down 20,000 and 15,000 is here. 20,000 to balance carry down 15,000. And then we don't prepare for stock. And at last, the bank. And at last, the bank account will be prepared. Okay. To balance brought down 25,000. And by balance carry down, we have to compute. Sorry, the pen is not working properly. Okay. So, if we come to adjustments, other information, collection from debtors 9,25,000. Two debtors here 9,25,000. Okay, that in debtors account. By bank 9,25,000. Payment to creditors for purchases 5,25,000. This is not purchases. Remember, mind it. These are not purchases. This is the payment to purchases. Sorry, to bank for 5,25,000 and by creditors 5,25,000. Okay. Payment of office expenses, including interest on loan by office expenses. It's 42,000 total. Now, what would be the amount here for office expenses? 42,000 or after deducting the amount of interest? Tell me what would be the amount? Yeah, I'm getting. Come on. Amount would be full 42,000 here. Okay, and here two bank 42,000 and all the balances is cleared by profit and loss account balancing figure. Total is 57,000, 37,000 here. 57,000, 57,000. Next point. See, salary paid 32,000 by salary 32,000. So that amount should be transferred 37,000 in profit and loss account. Salary. Yeah. To opening stock, to purchases, to gross profit, and by sales or by closing stock. We are given with the in closing stock 65,000 here. Next one is two office expenses 42,000 and two salaries 32,000. Two selling expenses 15,000 and it will be in bank account by selling expenses 15,000. Now, see, we are given with cash sales of 2,50,000 and credit sales is 80% of total sales. We are working out for the same. Say, cash sales is 2,50,000. Okay, that means it is 20% of total sales. Why? Uh, because credit sales is 80% of total sales. 80% credit and 20% cash. Okay, total sales 2,50,000 divided by 20%. It comes out to be 12,50,000. That means credit sales 12,50,000 into 80%. That comes up to be 10 lakhs. So, uh, sorry, by sales 12 lakh 50,000. Okay, and two cash sales, 2 lakh 50,000, and debtors, two credit sales, 10 lakhs. Okay, next point. Credit purchases and cash purchases 40% of total purchases. Credit purchases 5 lakh 40,000. That means, say here, let me change the ink. Yeah, we are going with credit purchases. Credit purchases is 5 lakh 40,000. That is 60% of total sales. Okay, that means total purchases will amount to 5 lakh 40,000 divided by 60%. That comes out to be, I think, 9 lakh piece. And cash purchases is 5 lakh 40,000. Sorry, not 5 lakh 40,000, 9 lakh into 40%. That comes out to be 3 lakh 60,000. Okay, so uh, purchases 9 lakh, then cash purchases. Firstly, by credit purchases, by purchases here, credit ones is 5 lakh 40,000, and sales, and by bank में by purchases 360. Okay, GP at cost plus 25%. Now look here, cost GP is uh, one fourth of cost. Okay, one fourth of cost means one fifth of sales. And what is the amount of sales? Look here. Amount of sales is 1 lakh 12 lakh 50,000. 12 lakh 50,000 divided by 5 is our uh, gross profit. 2 lakh 50,000. Okay, I hope till here you got it. Just note down till here. Okay, if by chance if you have missed any point, then just go back and do it. Now, here the opening stock. You have to remember, you have to prepare a working note for opening stock, for the calculation of opening stock. In profit and loss account, there is no balancing figure except the gross profit or net profit. Okay, you have to prepare a working note. Uh, it is not a memorandum account, it is a pure account, a full account. So there will be no balancing figure. But just to save the time, now it is 1,65,000 here. Total 3,15,000. So 13,15,000 is the total by GP. 1,65,000. Okay. I hope till here you got it. Next point. We are done with the GP. Then discount allowed. Discount allowed. यहाँ भी जाएगा. How much? 5,500. And there is also discount received of 4,500. Okay, so debtors and creditors account, two discount received 4,500, and buy discount allowed. 5500. Okay, till here I hope you got it. Then depreciation is divided as follows: land building 5%, plant machinery 10%, and office equipment 15%. Other adjustments on 1st October 2018, they sold machine having book value of 40,000 at a loss of 15,000. New machines were purchased on 1st Jan 2019. So, thank God. By bank 40,000 here. By profit and loss account, loss and sale, sorry, 25,000 here. Book value 25, book value 40,000 and sold at a loss of 15,000. So total done. Uh, I'm firstly closing down the plant and machinery account. Okay, so that we can transfer its amounts. Okay, see here. All the amounts is after depreciation. See, the amount is increased from 2,20,000 to 3,30,000. That means there is any type of purchases, even after depreciation. So here, two purchases, 1,50,000. Yeah, it will go to bank. Okay, I hope till here you got it. Two plant and machinery, 25,000. Okay, not this. Yeah, two profit and loss on sale of plant and machinery. It is a loss 15,000. Okay, next. Then by purchases by plant and machinery, 1,50,000. Okay, I hope all the main points of the question is complete and applied depreciation and so office equipment was sold at its book value on 1st April 2018. So office equipment sold off by bank. Then here the balance will come and applied depreciation. Loan was partly repaid uh, on 31st March 2019 together with the interest for the year. I hope you will do it. Just now, what you have to do? You have to just close down all the accounts which I have opened, so that you can also get to know in exams which account should be closed first and the balance should be transferred to trading PL and balance sheet. Okay, so I'm closing down the video as of now. In the very next lecture, I'll start with other questions. Okay, I'm not solving the partition question right now. Okay, thank you. Will take care. Bye and do like and subscribe my channel.